Yeah. See. Scrapin for Trump. That I drink it, I hang it, I wave it, I willy, I'm dangerous. I just don't. See. Yeah. Look at the product and we go.
Tell us who you are and what you got.
Jimmy Pittman, 8XT3s, and on 4 AKs.
4 AKs, nice.
Get this bitch.
The front tune to?
That's at 37.
This?
Yeah.
37?
Yeah. But I can play from 20 all the way up to 60 with no problem at all.
Nice, yeah, it has a nice bandwidth. It sounds really solid too. Cool, man. Guys, this thing's getting it. It sounds so solid too.
It's got a little bit more in it. I'm breaking the subs in right now, I think, but after last weekend and this weekend, I think I'm pretty close, so I think I'll be able to turn it up just a little bit more. Nice. I'm going to keep it efficient though. I want to be able to demo all day without breaking.
Right. It's solid, man. It sounds really good. What's up, guys? If you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Price is my handle on there. Also have Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat is JPD4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.